What's up, guys? It's your girl Sierra B, and I am back with the last video. The last Valentine's Day video. As y'all can tell, like, I really love Valentine's Day. I really love Valentine's Day, whether I have a boo or not. Like, Valentine's Day, I just love love. I can't help it. But I'm back with the last Valentine's Day video. And all I can say is just stay tuned, guys. Just stay tuned.
So we're going to jump straight in using concealer on my eyelids as a primer. Putting it all over my eyelids and then blending it out. I would not set my eyelids. I usually don't set them because I like for my eyeshadows to pop as much as they can. So using the ColourPop Makeup Shayla by ColourPop Perception palette, taking the color Culture and using that as my transition color. Not necessarily, it doesn't really show up that much on my eyelids, but it just gives me a start. So that's the reason I went with that color. So now we're taking the color September from the same palette, Perception palette. Taking the color September and using that in my crease, and we're just going to blend it out on both eyes. So now I'm going back in with the concealer. This is LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Toffee, by the way. Just going back in with that, using it on my lids. Sort of kind of like a cut crease, but once again, I do this so that my eyeshadow will pop. So going back in on the lid part, like the really just the lid, and that's it. So now going in with the Urban Decay Electric palette, using the color Savage. I'm such a savage. Okay, whatever. But it's the pink color. I really love this pink. Like, I can't even lie, y'all. Like, this is probably my favorite look out of the 3 Valentine's Day looks, just because this color is just so popping. Like, girl, do y'all see that? You can't tell me. You cannot tell me this ain't lit. But anyway, using it on my lids, I do spray my brush a couple times. It just helps it go on better, help it pop better. Just, I'm loving it. Can't you tell? So now I'm going to take an angled brush and go back in with that same Urban Decay palette using the color Jilted. And just going to use that on my outer corners, blend it in a little bit. I'm going to be in between the pink Savage color and Jilted, just to keep going back and forth, just to get my desired look. And of course, I always got to give y'all a little jig. That's when I know, like, girl, you coming into form. You coming into form. A little Waffle House yellow. All right, so now I'm just gonna pop on my lashes. I have no idea which lashes these are. These are just some lashes that have been laying around. So I do apologize for that. But you can rock just about any lashes with this look. I wouldn't say to do any that's too dramatic because they'll take away from your eye look. But any subtle, nice, lengthy, volumey type lashes will do great. So now I'm going to go into the face using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Matte Primer. Going to use just a tad bit of that. And now using the Maybelline Master Prime primer as well. So just did both of those, just a double prime, just a little bit. And now I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Foundation in the number 450. Just gonna blend that out all over my face using a flat top brush. Sometimes I wish I had like a lighter foundation, but I guess it's cool because once you conceal and contour and do all of that, like it all comes together. But that's what we're doing here. And then once that is all blended out, I am gonna go in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Toffee, which is the same color that I used on my eyelids and around my eyebrows. Using that to conceal and highlight. So just to be a little bit extra, I'm gonna go in with the Naked Skin Urban Decay Weightless Complete Coverage Concealer in the shade Dark Golden. Gonna put that over the same areas that I highlighted, well, concealed with the LA Girl concealer. And now I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the number 35 Deep. Going to use that really in my T-zone, really, because that's where I get oily. So just going to put that powder over there using a damped beauty sponge. I also use it under my, where I would conceal it, like on my jawline. It looks like it's just a more sharp look when you do it that way. And now going in with also the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder and the number 40 Dark. I'm going to use that to contour with. And you'll see all of those areas as I go. I'm dusting away the powder with the same brush that I contoured with, so it has just a little bit of the 40 dark powder, just a little bit of that still on the brush. That way I don't have like any harsh flashback or just anything that's just doing too much. So now I'm going in with Savage and using that in my waterline. And then I'm also going to take some dark black eyeliner. Well, it's not eyeliner, it's eyeshadow. I can't find my eyeliner for nothing in the world, guys. But taking that eyeshadow and using that in my waterline as well. And now I'm going to take some mascara, which is my same mascara in all of my videos, which is the Maybelline Colossal Bit Shot Mascara. I'm going to take that and use it on my bottom lashes, which I barely have any, but it wouldn't be a complete look without mascara. So now taking this very small brush, I'm gonna go in with September out of the Perception Makeup Shade Look Kit, palette. I'm gonna take September and use that in my tear duct. And then I'm gonna go on top of it with Unbothered, which is also in that same palette. And this really just blinged it out for me. Like, well, not blinged it out, but this is what made it super poppin'. Poppin'. And I am going to contour my nose using that same powder that I contoured with, which is the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the number 40 Dark. Just going to use that. That powder really is like perfect to me. Like, it's not too harsh, it's not too dark, like it's just perfect. Just blending everything out. I noticed it was a little patchy, so that's all I'm doing up there is just blending out. Then I'm gonna take the e.l.f. blush palette in that pink color and just use it on my cheeks. Blend, blend, blend. Then I'm gonna go in with the Urban Decay All Nighter spray, setting spray. I love this setting spray, guys. Like, I really love it. Like, it keeps everything in place all day. Like, it just really it just absorbs in my skin. It just does wonders. And now I'm going to highlight using the Artisan Color Baked Bronzer in the number 3520. It's called Flawless. Gonna use that. That's a deep golden highlighter that I used in every video that I have. Well, just about every video, but love that stuff. And then on top of that, because I am extra, and I'm gonna go in with another highlighter. Now this highlighter, I don't know what's the brand of it. I bought it like so long ago. I think I got it at like Forever 21 or something. I don't know, but it's super old. But I am gonna go over the gold highlight with that. And now I am gonna top the whole look off with a brown eyeliner, the same brown lip liner that I use for my eyebrows. I'm gonna use that for my lips. It's no rules in makeup. I keep telling y'all that, like, it's no freaking rules. Do what works for you. And then I am gonna go in with my Maybelline liquid lipstick on top. So it just all came together. I love this nude. I don't know why, but I really love this nude. And this is also something that I use in all of my videos as well. And just like that, we're done. Like, your girl is feeling herself, as you can see. I do want to thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend and tell a friend. And happy Valentine's Day, y'all.